Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Just in case this is the first time of coming across this channel, I'm Joy by name. Thank you very much for connecting with us today. I know this is actually the first time I'm having a video like this on my channel. It's been a faceless channel, but since because we're actually celebrating our 1 year anniversary on YouTube, I decided to have this video in appreciation to you all that have been part of this amazing journey with me. I said thank you very much for your love, for your constant support, for subscribing to the channel, for always engaging, for your warm messages. I said thank you very much. I truly don't know how to appreciate you all. I believe for us to be where we are today wouldn't have been possible without you all. I said thank you very much. When I actually started this channel, I knew I never had an introduction on what I'll be doing or what my niche is all about. This channel was actually born out of my passion for cooking, not just any kind of meal but healthy meals. So I'll be guiding you all on how to become a better home cook. I'll also be guiding you through the nutritional aspects of so many meals and its health advantages. So please be sure to be with us on this journey. For the past 1 year, I've had a fantastic journey on YouTube. Although I know I've had some certain challenges from shooting to editing and all that. I actually started this channel with no knowledge on videography, likewise editing, but actually learned in the process. The reason why I'm saying this is that if there is anyone out there, likewise you that's watching my video, and you actually have a video content idea that you want to put out to the world, and you are thinking of when should be the perfect time, I will tell you this is the perfect time. You can actually start now. There is no need for procrastination or thinking till when you have some sophisticated equipment. Trust me, you will enjoy the process of learning and growth at the same time. So please give it a try. So far I know we have close to 500 subscribers. Please, if you're just connecting for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to be part of this amazing journey with me. I actually have lots of video content ideas I'll be bringing to you all this year. Yeah, I consider this as a new year for me on YouTube. I have lots of recipes I'll be putting out there to you guys, most especially the local Nigerian delicacies. And you guys will also be seeing more of my face on your screen as I'll be sharing the knowledge I've gathered on nutrition and healthy eating. So please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you don't avoid to miss any of my videos whenever I upload a new video. You can also do well to go through my past videos, and I'll be open for feedbacks on how to improve as well, because I consider this as a period of assessment, not just only me assessing myself but also my viewers assessing me and telling me what they think, where I am getting it wrong, and probably how to also improve in that aspect. So I'll be waiting for you all review in the comment section. And just in case you have any video content idea you want me to actually recreate, be sure to let me know in the comment section as well. And if there is any of my videos you aren't clear enough, you can feel free to ask me questions and I'll be sure to respond to you all as soon as possible. Thank you very much. It's 1 year anniversary for us already. Thank you for being part of this journey. I will leave you all with this quote I usually tell my friends. Eating healthy is not as expensive as you may think, and with little to no supply in your kitchen, you can actually make a healthy, mouth-watering recipe. So please be sure to click the subscribe button down below so you can be part of this amazing journey with me. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.